I was sitting in my seat saying, I'm a girl from Baltimore. Whose father was a truck driver and who was the only one in my family who went to college. And so I am real grateful to be here this morning. It was almost 40 years ago for me when I was listening to the crowd in the audience as the graduates came up on stage. It was like it was yesterday because, like you, my family was so proud of me. Never mind that I had an undergraduate degree, but now I had a law degree. As law school graduates, you have a wonderful and unique opportunity. The mere fact that you are here this morning is already one of your most significant victories you have achieved in your lives. Some of you have traveled very far to get here, even if you only traveled a block away, around the corner, or across town. This is the day you dared to dream of, even on those days when you were not at all certain that the dreams were realistic. And yet, you are here. You have joined, or you are about to join, a very noble profession. It is a profession that in recent years have not always been encouraging, especially from outsiders. You have not listened to the noise, and you have found yourselves here today. You may have been inspired to use your legal prowess, and I hope you will, to combat racism, discrimination, and to advance democracy in the United States and beyond. I know that most, if not all of you, will want to use your new skills to simply improve the lives of those in your communities and for your families. You have just cleared the most major hurdles to achieving all of your goals. And young people, so long as you are here, we have promise. It's time for you to think about your personal journeys, how you're going to meet your own expectations and your own goals. It is time, and it is a daunting challenge. But as young lawyers, you are among the most elite population of people in this country. Outside of the walls of your university, society beckons you. You are our promise, and we are looking to you to be the best as our young lawyers to help us as a society navigate all that is going on in America today. Being a lawyer is a rewarding and noble profession where you can make an immediate difference in people's lives and that of a law community. Therefore, much will be expected from you as a representative of our legal system, regardless of your area of practice. No matter what your career path, lawyers should be interested in issues of social and racial justice, and you have a special responsibility to make sure that the law works for everyone, especially in those who have been in underserved communities. You have a unique responsibility, and it can only happen, people can only believe in our country if they believe that our justice system works fairly, impartially, and without favor. And it is up to you, young graduates, and all of us who are lawyers to ensure that this happens. As 2015 graduates of Florida A&M College of Law, you probably understand this simple fact more than many others. You are I think, the most diverse class of students that I've seen. And so you understand how important all of these issues are. And as you think about all that you have to do, all that you have to do as a professional smack dab in the middle of the raging debates that are going on right now, I want you to think about Charles Hamilton Houston, who always said that if you're not a social engineer for justice, you are a parasite on society. You know, each of us, you know, there's so many people who have paved the way for not just you, but for me. I know that I couldn't be here today without the help of many people. No one does this alone. You've got a lot of legacies right here within your Florida A&M community. You've got all of these wonderful professors who have cared so deeply about you throughout your journey over the last 3 years. And you have alum like Senator Arthenia Joyner and Congressman Hastings, who have done remarkable things and who have been brave and not afraid, who have stood up for what they believe in. As R.L. Sharp said, you are given a bag of tools to shape and mold. You have, through your fabulous professors and faculty and administrators, you have been given a bag of tools. Please use those tools to promote social justice, racial equality, and ensure that the rule of law is given to every single individual without regard to their background, to ensure that people are treated fairly in this justice system, to be everywhere that you need to be, so that there can be no doubt that you are ready and able to be the shoulders for someone else to stand, so that no one will ever doubt that there is justice for all in America. Congratulations, and thank you very much.